All right, Todd. Hello. We're both so anxious to do this segment.
Please, I insist.
Time for Potentially Yours. Every Tuesday, we try to find a home for a pet. This morning, it's Peanut
Little Peanuts.
from Dane
with
County
us.
Humane Society. There's Peanut.
Oh,
Yeah,
he's
he's
a
got
cute
a
little.
little snort going
Little
on his,
snort,
in his
little-
nose. Yeah, so
Little
but he's fine.
sniffing. Sniffing. He is a little Maltese poodle mix that he came to us. He was sadly surrendered. The
Yeah.
family. Do you want to come up here?
Yeah, come up.
You want to come up? Oh, I know, honey. He was surrendered. His family was moving and just not able to keep him. But they said he is a really sweet dog. Really gets along well with other dogs and people. Definitely just a social, outgoing dog. That I mean, look at those little ears.
Well, he's been
too.
going up to everybody this morning,
Yeah.
checking everybody
Just
out
a
and saying
friendly,
hello.
outgoing dog. He rode really nicely in the car ride too, which was good. And like I said, I'm not sure if we know his age. I think he's probably about 4 or 5 years old, and just a really sweet dog. That nice to show out this little smaller sizes to see that they deserve a nice, loving home. So if you're looking for a smaller little lap dog that wants to just cuddle up with you, little Peanut's the guy for you.
You could tell he needs to go to a home. He's just trembling right now. Like
I
he just
know. Being
you
in
know,
a shelter,
yeah.
it's just loud and there's big dogs and they're barking and so he just wants that nice home, that calm lap
Yep.
where he can just relax and get to be that really sweet, lovable dog that
Get a
he
jacket
is. I
on a day
mean,
like this.
I know. Wasn't that crazy? I woke up this morning and I thought, oh my goodness.
yeah.
So I should have put a little coat on him.
It's all right.
I'm freezing, Gail.
Getting
Give me a
some
coat.
sorry.
You got
I'm
the blanket
sorry.
right there.
I know. I have a little
Good
blanket
boy.
to keep him warm.
All
Really
right.
nice dog. Already knows
So-
I'm sit and commands too.
All right. So the weather's gonna be warming up this weekend, and just in time for an event that you've got going on.
Dog washing. If you love washing your dog or you want a little help, because some of us know it's a little trickier than
Yeah.
what you want it to be, we're doing a dog wash this Saturday at America's Best Flowers. It's only $10. The donation goes to Dane County Humane Society. So all of the information is at giveshelter.org, but it's a great thing. They've done this for us numerous years in a row now, and
Nice.
we wash so many dogs. So it's fun, and like I said, if you aren't really in the mood to wash your own pup, we'll do it for you this weekend.
Last week's pet, Gail.
Last week's pet was Yogi, little Yogi, and he
Yogi.
did get adopted later last week. Found a really great family.
You should have seen Rob the before pictures of Yogi.
I know.
You could not see Yogi's eyes.
It was
Got a
almost
haircut.
like a little bit of a little Peanut here. So shaggy.
Oh.
We gave him a good haircut and
Hey, buddy.
sent him home
Good.
too.
You're okay.
So come and get little
Peanut's
Peanut Man
next.
here and get your dog washed this weekend.
All
Good.
right. Thanks, Gail.
Thank you guys.
Want to adopt a pet? You know where to go, Dane County Humane Society, giveshelter.org, or give them a call at the number on your screen. As we head to break, 2 more animals from the Greene County Humane Society. There is more ahead on News 3 this morning. We'll be right back. Lenny, what a face.